Magandang hapon po ng December 21, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 21, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, December 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 21, 2024, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, December 21, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 21, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.